I'm Ty Reichert. This is Redwood.Fish. Hey, what's going on, guys? Ty here from Redwood.Fish. It's about 3:40 in the morning. We are packing up and heading out to go deep sea fishing out of Bodega Bay, California. We're going for salmon and rockfish. We'll see you out there in a minute after we wake up and get coffee. Scott hooked up with a nice coho salmon here, otherwise known as a silver salmon. These guys are highly endangered and must be released back into the ocean. You can't keep them. Fishing hard for about an hour, it was my turn. I finally got on to a nice king salmon. Check it out. Before I knew it, I had another fish on. I got this nice big king salmon and brought him in. So that completed my limit for the day. 2 king salmon, both amazing, beautiful fish. Wow, what an incredible day we had. We caught 40 rockfish. We got 4 keeper king salmon. We got two other king salmon that were undersized, and we got a couple silver salmon that we had to throw back too. And Hunter got a massive lingcod. So what an incredible day. Check out these pictures right now. Those are king salmon. Okay, we're gonna do a catch and cook tonight, so we'll take some of that salmon and we'll get it on the grill, and we'll see you out in the backyard at my house. The first thing we did when we got home is we cut up that salmon and made sashimi. Sashimi is a Japanese delicacy consisting of fresh, raw fish or meat sliced into thin pieces and often eaten with soy sauce. We brought home tons of salmon after the trip, and we decided that we were going to make salmon cakes one night. So I took a picture of the ingredients here. We've got mustard, panko breadcrumbs, ranch dressing. We've got cilantro from our garden. We've got green onions, eggs, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper, extra virgin olive oil. We got baby carrots, and of course the salmon that we cooked up. And you chop all of those ingredients up and mix everything together, and you can fry up those delicious salmon cakes. We also like to bake our salmon, grill our salmon, fry our salmon. Geez, we cook it a million different ways, but sometimes it's fun to mix it up, so check it out. Easton's mixing up some salmon cakes. We have so much salmon, we're trying to be creative on how to eat it, so we're gonna make salmon cakes. Let me take you over and show you what we're doing. Woohoo! These are massive. They're like 1 pound each. Okay, so we cooked some of the salmon we just got home. Fresh salmon. Let's do a little taste test. Cooper approves. Oh yeah. Easton, watch out, Coop. Easton approves. So good, huh? What do you think, Coop? So did you have a good time today?
Yeah.
How many fish did you catch?
Like 10.
It was awesome, huh? This king salmon is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Whoa. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I'm Ty Reichert. This is Redwood.Fish, and we gone. Second. Rah, 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 rah. Why'd you eat me?